Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Here's I will share you some beautiful and easy Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Let's start today with Christmas candle jar centerpiece decoration ideas. Take a jar or any glass you have at home, fill the bottom with salt, sugar or fixed snow to give a snow. Place a tea lights, candles or LED candles inside. Now decorate the outside with red ribbon, pins, leaves and tiny bells. When you light it, your jar will glow like a mini Christmas lantern, simple, cozy and elegant. Ornaments filled jar. Want this color? Colorful and festive. Take a big glass jar or vase and fill it with small Christmas ornaments and shining bell, rivers and fairy lights. Wrap a ribbon around the neck of the jar and tie a bow. It's quick, bright and adds instant holiday spark to your home. Mini Christmas jar. Let's make a tiny Christmas world inside a jar. Fill your jar with fake snow or cotton. Add a small Christmas tree, a snowman or a mini toys. You can also spark glitters for a magical snow effects. When you close the lid, it looks like a snowdropper, perfect as a centerpiece or gifts and viewers. Friends, candle jar centerpiece decoration ideas. Friends, everyone loves sweets at Christmas. Fill a clear jar with colorful candies, chocolates, add a red bow and maybe a cute tag that says Sweet Christmas and viewers.